Guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new to this channel, my name is Ann Kiki. Please make sure you like this video and subscribe. That's what we do here. What's going on, guys? Welcome back again to this new episode where I'm gonna be talking about how I actually managed to be where I am today. I'm gonna be giving you tips on how to succeed on YouTube. I have been on YouTube for 4 good years consistently. This is my 4th year on YouTube and I have never ever quit. I started with people who quit long time ago because of giving up, but in this video I'm gonna be sharing with you guys the tips and tricks that you need. Now, my journey on YouTube has not been so easy. It has been filled with ups and downs. I have had videos that have gone viral and gotten so many views and made me so much money. And I have also had videos which have done so bad and left me wondering. You've seen videos that have been on my YouTube channel for years and they have not ever done anything good. But in all this, I have learned so many things about YouTube, and every day I keep learning new things, and that is why I never quit, because I have gotten so many hacks. So far, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys the ones that I've learned and the ones that I feel if you apply, you will not take months before you go viral. Within 2 to 3 months, you will definitely go viral and you'll come back and thank me later. I always have at least one video going viral for each and every month. That is my secret, and that is what keeps me going here on YouTube. In a month, you might post 5, or depending on your frequency of posting, but at least make sure one of those videos goes viral. Are you guys ready to listen to my tricks? Please like this video. Number 1 is to pick the right topic. There are topics that will always be relevant on YouTube. There are topics that I did 3 years ago and they are still relevant this year. So what you need to do is to make sure you are talking about the right thing. If you decide you want to be on YouTube for years, then definitely you have to start by that. And the advantage of this is the same video that people were watching 3 years ago will still come back. You know, new people are coming to YouTube and they will find it useful. So make sure it is something that is going to sustain you for a longer period. And also because the older videos are usually making money on anytime, you know, anytime people watch them, no matter the age of that video, they are still going to make you money. So make sure those are topics that can stay for long. Now, the second thing I discovered is to have a good eye-catching thumbnail, because thumbnails are everything. In case you don't know what thumbnails are, these are pictures that appear in front of a video. So when you enter in YouTube, there's that picture that appears there. That is called a thumbnail. What you need to do is to have very good thumbnails, and you just need apps like Canva, Fonto. Those are apps that I love using. Even InShot. Once you create a thumbnail, make sure before a video goes on live, before you post a video, make sure you have a thumbnail, so that immediately you post a video, you go to YouTube Studio and put that thumbnail there. If you guys want to see more of this, just comment down below. I can give you a tutorial on how I create my thumbnails, because I feel like my thumbnails have really played a key role in making my videos to go viral, to be seen by people, because it has to be eye-catching. It's the one that makes people want to click to your video. By the way, yes, titles are good, but if a title is not having a good thumbnail, then definitely it's like wastage of time. And definitely I'll talk about the title as my third thing that I've learned. The title has to be something searchable, especially if you're beginning. Let's say you want to create a video on how to make money. Don't just say, I made so much money using this. No. Make sure your title will be something people are searching, unless you are very popular on YouTube. But definitely if you are beginning, make sure you use titles that people are going to search. like how to make money online, how to cook pilau, how to cook this and that, how to, you know, the cost of living in this and this place, something that people are searching for. Don't just say I lived in Zimbabwe, or no, don't tell people as if it's something they are used to. Make sure you use titles that people are going to search for. Another most important thing I learned is that the first 30 seconds on YouTube are very, very important. The first 30 seconds are the key reason why your video may go viral or may not go viral. So make sure your introduction is very, very interesting. It is something that is going to hook viewers there, and they will not want to get out of, yani they will not click away from that video. So the first 30 seconds are going to determine if you will go viral. And I've really realized that most of my videos which have gone viral, you find people have watched them in the first few minutes without skipping, without forwarding, and that is YouTube is going to notice that. So yeah, if your video is so interesting, definitely someone is going to watch it without skipping anything. But it doesn't mean that in the other parts you don't have to be serious. You definitely need to be serious through the entire video. Make sure you hook viewers on that video so that they don't click away. Another thing I'm going to talk about is audience retention and watch time. It is very, very crucial to make sure that people are watching your video for long hours, and also they are being hooked there. What happens is YouTube loves long videos, so make sure your videos are not just 1 minute or 2 minutes or 3 minutes. At least have videos which are 5 minutes and above. Why? Because they are going to make sure people stay on YouTube for long. That's why you see YouTube recommending to you videos which have 1 hour, 2 hours, because those videos are going to make people stay on YouTube for long. And also, if you are beginning, you definitely need those long videos so that you can get watch time. And because for monetization, you need to have watch time 4,000 hours, and also you need to have 1,000 subscribers. So subscribers are not so hard to get, let me assure you. Watch time is usually the hard part, so you need to be posting consistently, and you need to make sure people watch your video for long hours so that you can get to that watch time. Now, another thing is calling to action, calling people to action. I actually saw that working for me so many times. You tell people to like your videos, you tell people to subscribe to your channel, especially when you are beginning. Anytime you tell people that, they remember. But if you don't tell them, they don't remember. Definitely you don't have to overuse this, so you just tell them at the beginning of the video or at the end of the video. Don't just be telling them while the video is going on, every time subscribe, every time subscribe. People will get tired, they will think you are desperate. So make sure you tell people, but not in the entire video, either at the beginning or at the end. It really reminds people, because definitely we are human and we forget. So call people to action. Another thing is to look at social media and trends. That viral video for me was done during COVID. That was my first ever time to be on YouTube. I had not even stayed on YouTube for more than 5 months, and I did a video. I saw COVID was really making people to stay at home, and so I did a video related to that. I shared with people the ways I was making money, and you guys won't believe that video went viral. So be looking at what is trending and relate it to your channel. So make sure you are relating. Don't mix your content at now because a certain celeb is trending, but you do cooking videos, you start filming about them. No, look at what is trending in your niche and try to do videos related to that. I think every niche has its opportunity. So look at your niche, look at the opportunities there, and try to utilize them as much as possible. Now, the next thing I learned is consistency and patience. Let me tell you guys, YouTube has really taught me to be patient and consistent. Posting each and every time, accepting the fact that some videos might do well and others might not do well, and also being able to detect when it's time to be posting so much and when it's time to be resting, because you know, this is a job, like this is a business for me, and it's something that I love doing each and every time, but sometimes I need breaks. So it is very important to understand yourself, to know that you still need to be consistent even if you want to have a break. So it's just taught me balance. If you learn balance, then definitely you are going to sustain yourself on YouTube. Oh, another thing that is very important that I should have talked about as the first thing is editing and style. You definitely need to have editing tools. For a video to be a video, it needs to be edited. This video that I'm posting to you has been edited already. I had places where maybe people call me, I have to post a video, and you know, all those distractions. Maybe I see something, maybe I'm cooking and at the same time I'm filming. All those instances have to be cut out, others have to be added, like when I'm giving you guys examples. So to do all that, you need to have good editing tools. For me, I've really been using InShot. I usually use my phone to edit because I don't know how to use my laptop, by the way. I tried and I always feel the phone is so easy for me. I don't know, maybe I should teach myself more ways, because I hear people saying the CapCut option for PC is good, and also there's this other one, Power Director. Yeah, so they are good. You guys can try those out, and also Filmora. But for me, I think everyone has that one editing tool that they feel comfortable with. For me, it's InShot. It doesn't have so many features, so definitely you need something that has more features depending on your niche. So just go and try them out, and you guys come back and tell me. Now the next thing is engagement. I really came to learn that engagement is very, very important on YouTube. You need to engage your viewers. You need to like their comments, love their comments, reply to them. When they ask you questions, just answer them, as long as there are things that you can answer, because you want to keep on understanding your audience, keep on engaging them. And it feels good when your favorite content creator is, you know, chatting with you. So yeah, I really, really enjoy chatting with you guys. But they comment down below and tell me what you think about this video. In case you have any question, just ask me in the comment section. I will definitely try to answer as much as I can. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I hope it has been useful, informative. Comment down below and tell me, guys, what you think about it. Yep, thank you so much for watching up to this far. I'm really, really, really grateful, and I hope you guys start a YouTube channel. I wish you all the best. Ask me in case you want me to answer, and I'll try to answer you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.